things are probably going to get worse before they get better. But we are ready for it.
Former Vice President Kamala Harris gave a speech criticizing President Donald Trump in her return to politics. She heavily criticized the president's first 100 days of his second term, accusing him of ushering in an era of fear.
They are counting on the notion that if they make some people afraid, it will have a chilling effect on others.
Harris hit on Trump's tariffs, which have sent markets reeling in his first 100 days.
An agenda that is not lowering costs, not making life more affordable, and not what they promised.
Harris warned of a constitutional crisis and the, quote, buckling of the nation's checks and balances. She blasted Trump for ignoring court orders and arresting judges.
They punish truth tellers, favor loyalists, cash in on their power, and leave everyone to fend for themselves.
Harris ended on a more uplifting note that contrasted the dark tone of her speech.
Always remember, this country is ours. It doesn't belong to whoever is in the White House. It belongs to you.